Like the previous three solutions, the fourth solution is also an iterative solution. The new idea of the solution is first to copy all the elements at index I and above into a backup array called B. Then after that, you add the new element at index I. Then finally, copy back the elements in array B to array A starting from index I plus 1. Let me show you how to write the pseudocode for this new solution. We will begin writing the pseudocode for this solution by writing the header of its algorithm. So we say algorithm, and we will give it the same name that we were using for the previous solutions, which was insert. The first parameter is the array. The second parameter is the index for the new element, and the last parameter will be the new value that we want to insert into the array. The first step in the solution is to copy all the elements at index I and above to a backup array called B. So we will process the array A starting from index I until we reach index n-1, which is the end of the array. We copy all of these elements into a backup array that is called B. To do this, we will use two variables. One will process the array A, and the second will process the array B. The first variable is called J, and initially will be pointing to I, and the second variable will be called K, and it will initialize to 0, which is the beginning of the array B. So in every iteration, the value pointed at J in array A will be copied to the value pointed by K at array B. So we need a for loop that will process the array A. We say for J will take the value I to n-1 do. Every element pointed by J in array A will be copied into the element pointed by K in B. So we write B, K takes the value of A, J. But we have to initialize the variable used for processing the array B to 0, and we need to increase its value by 1 inside the for loop. Remember that the variable J will be automatically incremented by 1 because it is used as a variable for the loop. And now the second step for the algorithm is to add the new element at index I. So we say A, I takes the value of E. The last step is to copy back all the elements that have been copied into the array B back to array A, but starting from index I plus 1 until n. And to do this, we will repeat the same for loop, but before that we need to initialize K again to 0, and we say for J will start from I plus 1 to n, which is the last element, do. So we say AJ takes the value of BK. And for the variable J, it will be automatically incremented by 1 because it is used as the variable for the for loop. But for K, we have to advance it to the next element by writing K takes the value of K plus 1. And this completes the pseudocode for the algorithm for this solution. Now to call this algorithm from the main method or main program, like what we did before, we say main, we write the name of the algorithm, we supply the array as the first parameter. For our example, we want to insert the new element 10 at index 3. So the index will be 3 and the new value is 10. After we insert the new element, then the size of the array should be increased by 1. So we say n takes the value of n plus 1. This completes the pseudocode for this solution.